Now let's say another competitor of ChatGPT, which is DeepSeek. In social media nowadays, we can see many posts about DeepSeek. Okay, so now let's see how to install DeepSeek in our Android phone.
Now we are going to use our AI tools, which is DeepSeek. In this lecture, let's see how to install DeepSeek apps in our Android mobile. For this purpose, we need to go obviously to our Play Store. In here, we need to search DeepSeek. So in here, we will get two, DeepThink and DeepSeek. We are going to use second one, DeepSeek. This is our actual DeepSeek. Now press install. It's installing. It will take few seconds. Don't worry. Now press open after installing. So if this is your first time in DeepSeek, you need to sign up in your DeepSeek account, or if you already have a DeepSeek account, you can log in. So there are two ways to sign up. One is you can use your email, password, and after that you will get a code in your provided email. Just use it and sign up. And way two is just simply log in with your Google. Press this one, sign in with Google. Agree. Use your Google account you want to use for this purpose. Now start chat. Here is our DeepSeek apps and chat interface. And in here, we can write the prompt and give instruction or get suggestion from DeepSeek.